What is up, Mecha Nuts? Gunpla Bro here, and today we're unboxing the high grade 00 Gundam type actual combat deployment. Let's rock and roll. This unboxing is a little, how you say, nostalgic. Not really nostalgic. I mean, I started building Gunpla about 3.5 months ago, but all the same, this is my first Gunpla that I built. I'm rebuilding it because my old Zero Gundam fell apart and isn't really holding up so well. This is O Gundam type actual combat deployment. And let's look at the box itself. You have the bottom half of the box here, and here we have the two GN drives for this unit. We have the original GN drive and the, how do you say, the GN compressor? Condenser? Yeah, condenser. And you have various poses here. I like how articulate this kit is. It is definitely one of the best high grades ever in regards to its articulation, man. This thing is crazy. There's no pose it can't do. And you have some details here. I'm not sure what they are. Can't read Japanese. And I guess it's just showing you can put it on an action base. On this side, we have a front view of the kit and some backstory for the pilot and the mobile suit itself. And yeah, that's about it. Here's the sides of the box, which are the same art as the front of the box. Super fast kit opening montage. 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 And the kit is open. And here we have the A runner. A multicolor runner, typical for high grades. We're going to start from the top left and work our way down. Here's the clear part for the chest, the gun, some parts for the arms, the cups of the hands, the little piece on the head on the V-fin, and here's the face with the eyes and the chin. This is some joints for the arms, some joints for the arms, some feet, the feet, ball joints, hands, feet, waist, the shield, let's throw over here actually, and some more parts for the arms, the waist pegs for the legs, the joints for the arms. These go into GN condenser, they're for the GN condenser, which is right here. And here we have some vents on the chest, the neck armor, some armor for the waist, the mount for the shield, the GN condenser on the shield, and the little piece of the waist there, little red piece. Next runner! And here we have B runner. This runner is all white and has a lot of armor pieces. Very simple runner. Very fast. Arm parts right here. We got the beam saber, the GN drive. We have some leg parts here, some more arm parts, the clavicle antenna on the kit, on the chest, more arm parts, the shoulders, the bottom of the torso, ankles, foot caps, GN drive, more shield. We have the waist here, parts of the skirting, some more leg parts, the V-fin, and we have the holster for the beam saber, the crotch, the side skirts, the butthole cover, and the second butthole cover, and that's the helmet, and the face mask. Next runner. And here we have C runner. It's a nice blue, very small. We have 2 pieces of the chest here and a piece of the backpack. Not much to it at all. Very small, very simple. And here we have the big old sheet of polycaps. This kit uses like, let's say about half of these. It's polycaps. You know what these are. Whatever. And here we have the beam sabers. These are a little different than your typical beam sabers. They have like this flat edge on them. Very nice. Very, very nice. They don't fit in most standard beam saber holes. You know, they have like a different peg. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Little beam sabers. And here we have the humongous sheets of color correcting stickers. Absolutely unacceptable, Bandai. Why would you put so many stickers on this kit? But real talk, the eye stickers here, just about all you're going to use, if that. And the other sticker here is useless because a little bit of paint on the inside of that clear piece makes this sticker absolutely worthless. But that's about all. Shiny, shiny stickers for the eyes and GN Drive. And here's the manual. Very nice art on it. Very good. I love this picture of the Gundam in its animation colors. That's the pilot, ribbons all marked, and some Japanese I can't read. Some more Japanese I can't read, and this very nice picture of the Gundam that's on the box art. Flipping on in here, we have a lot of full color photos of the kit painted up. The kit, I guess some info about the Exia, more posing. I think these are the same ones that are on the side of the box, but the photos are very nice. Some more photos from the anime. The back here has more color photos of the assembly of the kit, how to install the action base, how to install the shield, beam saber, etc, etc, etc. That's the manual. And that is all for the unboxing, Mecha Nuts. I just want to let you know that the review for this kit will be coming out really soon, but before that I am going to do a build of this kit. That should be out before the end of next week at the very least. I'm aiming for Saturday at the absolute earliest, but we'll see what happens, right? In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. If you do not mind leaving a like, comment, and subscribe on this video, I would greatly appreciate it because it helps me out a lot. Until further ado, Mecha Nuts, Gunpla Bro, out.